Suba. Captain Naaman was angry, very angry, because the prophet told him to go wash in the river. Nasuko si Captain Naaman sa prophet. Kinasukuan tungod sa giistorya niya nga maligo siya sa Suba River. I will go home, said Captain Nanam. Muuli kuno siya sa ilang balay.
Sanatso ani na palay.
Yeah. Captain Naaman started home. The men on horseback rode up close beside him. Ang mga tao ni Captain Naaman na sakay kabayo sa iyang likod napadoon sa tapad niya. They said to him, iyang istorya. If the prophet had asked you do some big things, wouldn't you have down toward the river? Niagi sila sa river. The river was muddy. Ang suba lapokon. But Captain Naaman waded out into it. He dipped down under the water.
Guys, not
Siya ni sa ilam sa tubig. Then he looked at his hands and his arms. Nitanaw siya sa iyang kamot o sa bukton. The leprosy spot were still there. Ang iyang sakit nga leprosy napakuno. Captain Naaman deep under the water again. Balik kuno siya og sa ilam sa tubig. But that leprosy spots were still there. Naago no gihapon. He deep again. Nisam siya balik. The spots were still there. Napakuno. His men on that river tank. His man on the river bank watched anxiously as his deep again and again and again. Balik siya sa but always the spot were there. Napakunog